If you fry eggs every morning, stop right there, because you might be missing out on the healthiest, softest, and most delicious version of eggs you'll ever taste. Most people think frying is the easiest way to cook an egg, but the truth is, it's also the least healthy. When you fry eggs, you're adding unnecessary oil or butter, which increases fat and cholesterol levels, while the high heat destroys essential nutrients like vitamin D and lutein that protect your eyes and brain. Poaching, on the other hand, is pure, clean, and simple. It uses nothing but water, creating a soft, silky egg that melts in your mouth. The yolk stays creamy and rich, the white turns delicate and light, and best of all, it's cooked without a single drop of oil. Yet, many people avoid poaching because it looks complicated. They've tried it before, the egg scattered, broke apart, or ended up as a watery mess. But what if you could master the perfect poached egg, even as a beginner? In this video, I'll guide you step by step, show you the science behind the process, and reveal little-known tricks chefs use to make those picture-perfect eggs you see in cafes. So get ready, grab your eggs, and let's unlock the art of making the perfect poached egg. Clean, healthy, and restaurant style, right in your own kitchen. Let's start with something most people never realize. Poaching eggs is not a mystery, it's a science, a gentle balance between temperature, timing, and technique. Once you understand these three, you'll never ruin another egg again. So let's begin, step by step, from preparation to perfection. And by the end, you'll be poaching like a pro chef, even if it's your first try. First, the water. The number one mistake people make is boiling it too aggressively. The truth is, boiling water is your enemy here. You don't want those harsh, bubbling waves. They'll tear the egg apart before it even starts to cook. Instead, you need what chefs call a gentle simmer. That's around 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, or 176 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot enough to cook the egg, but calm enough to keep it together. You'll know it's right when you see small bubbles forming at the bottom and a light steam rising from the surface. Too cold, and the egg won't set, and too hot, and it'll explode into chaos. Next, depth matters. You'll need about 3 inches of water in your pot. Shallow water doesn't give the egg enough room to float and fold over itself, while too much water spreads it thin and makes it lose shape. Think of it like a swimming pool, deep enough to dive, but not to drown. Now, the big question everyone asks, should you add vinegar? Yes, but in moderation. Vinegar helps the egg white coagulate faster, meaning it firms up quickly around the yolk instead of spreading all over. But use too much, and your eggs will smell and taste sour. The perfect ratio is 1 teaspoon of white vinegar per litre of water. You won't taste it, but it'll make your egg shape beautifully. Avoid using dark vinegars like balsamic or apple cider. They'll discolour the water and the egg. Then comes the freshness test, one of the most important parts. If your egg is old, the whites will be thin and watery, and no amount of vinegar or skill can fix that. A fresh egg, however, holds its shape like magic. Here's a quick test. Drop your egg into a glass of cold water. If it sinks to the bottom and lays flat, it's perfectly fresh. If it tilts upward, it's about a week old, still usable, but not ideal for poaching. If it floats, it's old. Better save that one for baking instead. Now that you've poached the egg, presentation matters. Place it over a slice of whole grain toast. Top it with avocado, spinach, or even smoked salmon. Sprinkle some black pepper, salt, and a pinch of chili flakes if you like spice. Drizzle with olive oil or lemon juice for a cafe-style finish. the soft yolk will burst open, flowing like golden sauce over your plate. That's the moment every chef lives for. Let's talk about the common mistakes so you can avoid them. First, never use boiling water. It's too harsh and will tear the egg apart. Second, don't drop the egg from a height. It'll scatter and lose shape. Now, let's understand the science behind all this. When you poach an egg, heat causes the proteins in the whites to denature. That means they unfold and bond together, forming a delicate web that traps the yolk inside. Another advantage: they're incredibly gentle on your digestive system. There's no oil to slow down digestion or irritate your gut. That's why nutritionists often recommend poached eggs to people recovering from illness or those on a clean eating diet. If you're cooking for your family, here's another tip. Poach your eggs in batches using an assembly line method. Crack all eggs into separate cups first, then lower them into simmering water one by one, spaced apart. Keep a timer running for each batch. One more chef's secret: if you want that extra smooth surface, trim any uneven egg white edges with kitchen scissors before plating. It gives that restaurant perfect look that's Instagram worthy. And here's something not many know: you can also poach eggs in flavored water. Add a few sprigs of herbs like thyme or parsley, or even a slice of lemon peel to give a subtle aroma. Poaching is also the cleanest way to cook eggs. No greasy pans to wash, no oil splatter on your stove, no burnt smell. Just water that you can pour away when done. Simple, healthy, and elegant. Poached eggs can be enjoyed in various settings, from a quick breakfast to a fancy dinner. Their versatility makes them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Compared to fried eggs, poached eggs offer a healthier alternative. There's no added fat from cooking oil, and the gentle cooking method preserves more nutrients. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your diet. Let's recap the whole process. From cracking the egg to the final product, poaching is a quick and efficient method. With practice, you'll be able to create perfect poached eggs in just a few minutes every time. The moment of truth: lifting your perfectly poached egg from the water. Notice how the white is set but still tender, and the yolk is intact and ready to burst. This is the result of mastering the poaching technique. Remember, poached eggs are packed with nutrients. You get all the benefits of an egg: the protein, choline, omega-3s, vitamin D, and antioxidants, without any added fats or potentially harmful compounds from high-heat cooking methods. And there you have it, the art and science of the perfect poached egg. Enjoy your creation, and remember, practice makes perfect. So, as you can see, poaching isn't a complicated skill. It's a small act of mindfulness in your kitchen. Once you learn it, you'll start to notice the difference in how your body feels: lighter, cleaner, and more energized after breakfast. Every time that soft yolk flows across your plate, you'll realize you've turned a simple egg into something extraordinary. Now that you've learned how to make the perfect poached egg, let's talk about why this simple change in your morning routine can transform your health, your energy, and even the way you feel about food. Let's start with the health side, because that's what makes poached eggs truly shine. One poached egg contains roughly 70 to 80 calories, while a fried egg often goes above 120 calories, simply because of the added oil or butter. That extra 40-50 calories might not sound like much, but multiply it by 7 days a week, and that's over 300 calories saved just by switching cooking methods. When you poach an egg, you retain delicate nutrients like vitamin D, choline, biotin, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are essential for brain health, eye protection, and even emotional balance. Lutein and zeaxanthin help prevent macular degeneration, a common cause of vision problems as we age. Choline supports nerve health and memory, while vitamin D strengthens your bones and immune system. But it's not just about avoiding oil. The gentle heat of poaching keeps the egg proteins tender and easier to digest. Fried or scrambled eggs often get cooked at very high temperatures, which can make the proteins tough and harder for your body to break down. Now, let's move into the fun part: flavor upgrades and creative combinations. Once you master the base, the possibilities are endless. Think of poached eggs as a blank canvas. They can go from a quick breakfast to a gourmet brunch with just a few twists. Here are some easy yet impressive ideas. The classic avocado toast combo. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast, sprinkle with salt, pepper and chili flakes, and top it with your poached egg. When that yolk breaks and mixes with the avocado, it creates a creamy, buttery sauce that feels like heaven on a plate. Mediterranean style, serve your poached egg over sautéed spinach, cherry tomatoes, olives, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add a few oregano leaves for that Greek-inspired freshness. It's colourful, nutrient-dense, and incredibly satisfying. Asian twist. Place your poached egg on a bowl of brown rice or soba noodles, drizzle soy sauce and sesame oil, and top with green onions. The runny yolk blends with the soy flavour to create a simple yet deep umami taste. Protein, power bowl. Combine quinoa, kale, roasted sweet potatoes and chickpeas, then crown it with a poached egg. It's a fitness-friendly bowl packed with fibre, antioxidants and complete protein, perfect for post-workout meals. Spiced breakfast bowl, sprinkle smoked paprika, cumin or turmeric powder right after poaching. These spices not only add aroma but also boost anti-inflammatory properties. Chef's trick. Herb-infused water. Add rosemary, thyme or a bay leaf to your poaching water. It won't make the egg taste like soup, but it will leave a faint fragrance that feels gourmet without extra effort. These simple tweaks can make every poached egg experience different, exciting, and new. You'll never get bored, and your breakfast will always look and taste like something out of a high-end cafe. Now let's discuss storage and convenience, because not everyone has time to cook from scratch every morning. The good news, you can poach eggs ahead of time and store them easily. After poaching, transfer the eggs into a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process, then refrigerate them in that same water for up to 2 days. When you're ready to eat, reheat the egg by dipping it in hot, not boiling water for 20-30 seconds. It'll be as good as fresh. This simple trick allows you to prep your breakfasts for several days in advance. No stress, no rush. If you're serving guests or preparing for a brunch, this method is a lifesaver. You can make 6 to 8 poached eggs at once and keep them ready in cold water. When it's time to serve, just reheat them, place them on toast or salad, and garnish. Now, let's address some of the most common viewer questions, because these are things that everyone wonders when they try poaching for the first time. Do I have to use vinegar? No, but it helps. Vinegar helps the egg whites firm up faster and stay compact. Can I poach more than one egg at once? Yes, but make sure your pot is wide and the water is deep enough. Can I salt the water? Avoid it. Salt breaks down the proteins in the egg white, making it fall apart. Can I make poached eggs without a stove? Surprisingly, yes. You can use the microwave method. Fill a cup with water, crack in the egg, Cover it loosely and heat for about 50-60 seconds. Why do my eggs taste bland? That's normal. Poached eggs are mild by nature. You can add flavor with herbs, pepper, or sauces like hollandaise, salsa, or even a drizzle of olive oil. Now, let's move to something equally important, the emotional side of cooking. Making poached eggs teaches patience, focus, and presence. Unlike frying, where you rush and flip, poaching requires calm and control. You wait, you watch, you learn timing. It's almost meditative. The gentle steam, the slow swirl, the white wrapping around the yolk. It's cooking, but it's also mindfulness. And when you finally lift that perfect poached egg from the water, soft and whole, it feels like a small victory. If you're someone who's struggled to make them before, don't worry. Everyone fails the first few times. Maybe your egg breaks apart or overcooks. That's okay. Every chef went through that. The trick is to try again. The more you do it, the better you get. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. And once you succeed, you'll realize that poaching is not about showing off. It's about simplicity and respect for real food. Now let's quickly explore some bonus tips and expert secrets that make a huge difference. Always start with cold eggs. They hold their shape better. For smoother whites, strain the egg before cooking. This removes the watery part of the white. If you're trying to eat clean or manage your weight, this one habit, replacing fried eggs with poached, can do more for your body than you think. You're reducing unhealthy fats, improving digestion, and giving your body more pure protein. Your skin will look clearer, your energy levels will rise, and your cholesterol levels will thank you. So the next time you wake up and reach for the frying pan, pause for a moment. Think about what you just learned. Grab a pot, fill it with water, and in less than 5 minutes, you'll have a soft, silky, golden poached egg that tastes amazing and supports your health. Don't be afraid to try, even if your first egg isn't perfect. Cooking is not about being flawless. It's about enjoying the process. Once you master poached eggs, you'll realize it's not just a recipe, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So the next time someone asks you how you like your eggs, you can proudly say, poached. Perfectly poached. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes, and share this video with someone who still fries their eggs every morning. Let's make cooking cleaner, lighter, and a lot more delicious, one egg at a time. Because in the end, making a perfect poached egg is not just about food. It's about learning patience, precision, and care. It's about slowing down in a fast world and appreciating something as simple and beautiful as breakfast done right.